Now I'm recording again with the white profile, and as you can see, it totally changes the image. And behind the trees here there's a human being walking. You can see just next to the cross here, it shines through the tree, the body heat from the human being. I think it will show up soon, just next to the cross. Or it could be that the person took the road down instead of keeping the direction. Probably it did, because I can't see the person again. But anyway, as you can see here, the sea gets dark colored, and everything on it, for example a boat or something, will become white, like these islands you see here. And let me remind you of the distance to the land on the other side. The land on the other side is quite far away, like 5,000 meters away. And if we go in the other direction, and the mountains on the other side, that's like 20,000 meters away. So it's nothing to say about the performance of this camera. Is very good. It has a 50mm FLIR lens, and so the performance is very good and stable. You can choose in the menu if you want to have this cross in the middle or not, but I think it helps me a lot, when I'm explaining the function of the camera. I use it as a reference point to tell you the distance to things I see in the image during this recording. And the distance to the land on this side where the cross is now is about 20,000 meters. Yeah, 20,000 meters. So it's long distance, very long distance. And here you can actually see the ferry on its way from Molde to Ålesund. It's just on the left side of my cross now. I point directly at it with the cross. Now I'm pointing directly at it with the cross. It's passing behind these islands, and it's going to the destination. That will be the destination for the ferry will be here, or exactly there, and the distance for that is around 30,000 meters. changing the view of the camera, and I'm looking at the street below, so you will soon see the cars coming and going. Since I changed the distance, I may adjust the focus a little bit. It didn't make it better. So you see the cars here, the scooter, everything. Very good. And you also see here the pan tilt is very smooth, very smooth. And now I'm using a wireless controlling of the camera, a remote control. So the receiver, the wireless receiver, is mounted together with the camera, and it's about 50 meters away from me. Here you see the ferry again, right above the center of my cross, and I can also switch to 2 times digital zoom. The image is not so clear when you use the digital zoom. We can try to adjust it a little bit, but you still see the ferry very good. Now I switch off the zoom. We're back to normal view, and so this is recording is done with the iPhone from a 22-inch display, so the image is not so clear as it should be because the size of the display is a bit big for showing this image alone, but this was the sea view with the hot white profile. I will now quit this recording and do it with another profile so you can see the difference.